Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Starfield's phase time bug. We're looking for a quick guide how to fix Starfield's phase time bug. Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, to fix phase time bug in Starfield, you will have to interact with other things. Load your previous save file, board your ship, open dashboard, and then check for patches and updates and restart Starfield. So there are a few things you can do. So interact with something, right? The first fix you can try is interacting with anything when you're fixing this bug. So interact with anything. For example, if you sit on a chair, then that might solve the bug problem, let you continue with your gameplay. Another fix would be load your save file, which is pretty self-explanatory, right? And then number 3, go to dashboard. Some players have reported that if you quit the game, go to dashboard, and then start the game again, then that also fixes the problem with the phase time bug. Another fix would be board your ship. Rather than interacting with something, you can also board your ship, and then that should also be able to fix the issue. If you're not able to solve the phase time bug by sitting on a chair, then try to board your ship. Pretty simple, right? And then lastly, check for updates. Check to see whether there are any updates available for Starfield on the Steam page or from where you have downloaded and bought the game in your console. So this problem phase time bug is happening due to a glitch in the system of Starfield. So the chances are that the developers are working on a fix for it. And these are the 5 or so solutions that you can try. Most of the time, one of them works. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.